Jai Hind everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about the Kolkata horror. Hope you guys know about it. See, I'm not a big personality to talk about it and raise my voice against it because today I've seen that the government is so much quiet and so much in serene situation. They're not even listening to others. They're not even reacting. So who am I? Why will they listen to me? But still I'll raise my voice because it becomes my responsibility as citizen of India to talk about the things. I'll come on the government afterwards. First, I'll just give a brief about this situation, what's happening in our country. Few days back, a doctor in Kolkata, on duty doctor, got raped, brutally raped, and murdered. When the things came into limelight, then the West Bengal government tried to just vanish the evidences and support the criminals. That bloody bastard criminals, they are being supported by the government. Can you imagine? Okay, that state government, Mamta Banerjee, I can't even expect more than this from that lady. I want to say this. Even I have no problem if the government or someone take action against me because see, if they are not taking action against them, then why should I be afraid? I'm not doing something wrong. I'm just raising my voice against those bloody criminals. Today, the doctors, the colleagues and the doctors of that girl are protesting against the criminal, and what we are listening today, that the criminal supporters are attacking those people while protesting. Like, in my wildest of my dreams, I can't just imagine that after doing something wrong, they have that much strength to again do some other thing which is more than worse. So how is that possible? That's possible just because of the support they are getting, and that support is from the government. We have seen in 2012 Nirbhaya case, as we all know. In 2020, those bullshits were punished, and among those also, one guy was teenager, so he was just released. He was a teenager, then also he raped a girl. So what does that mean? His mentality is like someone else, no? So why should he be not punished? Okay, so that 2012 case that got solved in 2020, our apex Supreme Court is doing this much efficiency and showing this much efficiency and effectiveness in their operations. Good, 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 good. Now, this 2024 case, how long will it take? In 2032-33, we'll get the justice. Just listen. Justice delayed is justice denied. You can't even think of those family members who are what they are suffering right now. Okay? India wants justice right now and very in that moment. Those person who have done something, first of all, they should be brutally murdered and killed in front of whole media. Okay? And everyone should see them. It's not always this kind of act that someone just want to do some bad thing and they will do it, and the other people will just see, okay, कर दिया, गंदा कर दिया, अब देखेंगे अगर करा होगा गलत तो, अरे साला उसने गलत करा है तो उसको सजा दो. अच्छा करते वक्त तो, so like it just means that if I want to do something wrong, I am just liberal for that. मैं साला गलत करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे तो डर ही नहीं है कानून क्या करेगा. कानून is just paralyzed. Okay, and this political influence is so much deeply rooted in our country that साला कोई अच्छा काम करना भी चाहे ना, they'll just fail. What do we want, yaar? What do we want? Just tell me, what do we want? What do you guys and I want? I just want justice in this case. I just want justice. जिस साले चार छः लोगों ने उसका रेप किया है ना, साला सोशल मीडिया पे बुलाओ और फटकार मारो गला काटो ब्रूटली, साले इनका मर्डर करो और बुलडोजर चलाओ साड़ों पे। मरने चाहिए ये, ना कि जेल में काट रहे हैं एंड देन जस्ट सेंटेंस टू जेल, दिस फांसी की सजा 10 साल 20 साल। अरे क्या करोगे 10 साल 20 साल का यार, जब तक एक और कोई कांड हो जाएगा। व्हाट यू विल डू देन? हाँ मोदी जी, आई हैव जस्ट posted few posts also, and many things I have posted and tagged you also, but I can't just see any reaction from your side or the current government side. I will not expect anything from that Mamata Banerjee's side. I'm not even interested, because I know what kind of lady she is. But even many of the people have faith in you, just because we have elected you as a PM and we have given you this opportunity to serve the country. So along with congratulating the eminent athletes and successful athletes, you also have the right to just give the orders and come in front of media and tell that, okay, I'm taking the whole responsibility, I'll do whatever I want to do, and I'll go to those extent which I'm capable of, and I'll give justice. It should be the case. The doctors are not even safe in this country. Then what? Then who will be? Huh? That girl didn't went to the hospital for her own purpose. She went to serve, for doing her duty. This furiousness, no, it is not of me. It is all of the whole citizens in the country, and we want justice at any cost. We want justice, and within few days we want it. I don't want, and we don't want like 10 साल 20 साल चल रहे हैं and going on, the case is going on, huh? It should not be the case. It's a humble request from our side. I know that we are furious. There's a lot of aggression from our side, and the youth is built like that. If something is wrong, then we'll just raise our voice, and social media is the biggest tool today. This should not be the case that the person is doing crime and freely moving around and roaming around. Bloody bullshit. This should not be the case. And to all those people who are just telling that suicide and this and बस सालो, इंसानियत सबसे ऊपर होती है. पॉलिटिकली बाद में बन जाना करेक्ट, समझे? थोड़े अच्छे इंसान तो बनो. एक दिन तो जाना है ना यहाँ से. सालो ऊपर क्या मुंह दिखाओगे फिर? हाँ, ऊपर क्या मुंह दिखाओगे? थोड़ा सा ये बुद्धि है तुम में, मुझे पता है, भ्रष्ट हो चुकी है पर, ठीक है? ट्राई टू बी समवॉट यार. साला गलत हुआ बोलो ना. डर लग रहा है तुम्हें बोलने से? हुआ है तो हुआ है गलत, बोलो. दो सालों को सजा, बड़ी मारो पिछवाड़ों पे लात उनके. See, this is the case, and you should do something by which we should be proud of you all guys, that yes, you have done very good. Cheers.